Looking for the best streaming deck controller but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best streaming deck controller based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. ActionRing N1 Streaming Deck. Most shortcut pads just hog your desk like a lazy roommate. This one stands tall instead, vertical, slim, and out of your way. Left-hand users get 3 modes: quick access keyboard, instant calculator, or a numpad that plays nice with your existing setup. Plop files, apps, even GIFs onto 15 LCD keys and launch them in one tap. Works on Windows or Mac, hooks up to OBS, Photoshop, Excel, you name it. Plus plugins for weather, reminders, everything under the sun. Tidy desk, turbo workflow. Number 4. SOOMFON Stream Controller Studio Control Deck 15 Macro Keys. Got a messy workflow? This thing flattens it down to one tap. 15 bright LCD keys that you can paint with any image you like, no more hunting through menus to mute the mic or switch scenes. Works with Windows, Mac, OBS, Spotify, even your smart lights. Creatives, streamers, editors, anyone drowning in shortcuts, this is your new hotkey lifesaver. Slide the stand on, stick it down, plug in, and call it done. Number 3. VSDINSIDE Macro Pad. Most stream controllers just give you basic buttons. This one, full customizable LCD keys, RGB knobs, and a touch bar. Perfect for creators and gamers who need one-tap macros without coding. Ergonomic stand and USB dock finish it off. Number 2. VSDINSIDE VSDM18 Macro Keypad. Most macro pads just give you blank keys, boring. Not this one. With 15 LCD keys and 3 tactile buttons, you can swap images, animations, even full macros with a single tap. Gamers, creators, power users, everyone gets instant access to game combos, file launches, and OBS scene switches without hunting through menus. Chain multiple hotkeys at once with Operation Follow, and set the mood with the RGB light ring. Plug it in via USB-C and it just works on Windows, Mac, OBS, Streamlabs, and more. Simple, fast, and way more fun than a plain keypad. Number 1. VSDINSIDE VSDM18 Macro Keypad. Love it for creators drowning in shortcut. 18 LCD keys light up your workflow with GIFs and macros at your fingertips. Tap once to launch apps, edit videos, or blast through game combos. RGB ring syncs the mood while you work late. Plugs straight into Windows 11 or macOS 11, plays nice with OBS, Photoshop, you name it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.